Hello InvTraXes! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Forex trading? Great! Let's start by learning how to read a Forex quote. Every currency has a unique three-letter symbol that's used in Forex quotes. These symbols are made up of the first two letters representing the country and the third letter representing the currency. For example, AUD stands for Australian dollars, JPY stands for Japanese yen, CHF stands for Swiss francs, and CAD stands for Canadian dollars. When it comes to trading currencies, it's always done in pairs. This means that when you buy one currency, you're automatically selling another. The most commonly traded currency pairs are the euro and US dollar, EUR, USD. These pairs, known as the majors, are made up of the most actively traded currencies. Now, when quoting currency pairs, the first currency is called the base currency and the second is called the counter or quote currency. This quote represents how much of the quote currency is needed to exchange for the base currency. For example, if the quote is EUR 1.4500 United States dollars, it means that 1 euro can be traded for 1.45 US dollars. The base currency is always equal to 1 unit of exchange. The dominant base currencies are the US dollar, euro, and British pound. So, what happens when a trade takes place? Let's say you want to buy Chinese yuan with British pounds, CNY, GBP, in the hopes that the yuan will increase in value relative to the pound. If the yuan does indeed rise in value, you can sell the position, sell the Chinese yuan, and make a profit. Just keep in mind that there are no standard cross-currency quotes and some pairs have the base currency on the top while others have it on the bottom. It's important to know at least one pair of currencies and which one is more valuable in order to determine which is which. Now, let's talk about the pip. The pip is the smallest unit of change that a currency pair can move. In the Forex world, currencies are traded in fractions, with most pairs having 5 significant digits and the decimal point immediately after the first digit. For example, the EUR USD quote might be 1.2377. In this case, a single pip would equal the smallest change in the fourth decimal place, which is 0.0001. If the quote currency is USD, 1 pip always equals 1/100th of a cent. The only exception to this rule is the USD JPY pair, where a pip equals 1 cent. To give you a numeric example, let's say you buy the GBP EUR at 0.8730 and sell it later at 0.8742. The difference would be a gain of 12 pips, or 0.0012. However, if you were trading the AUD JPY pair and bought it at 75.51 and sold it later at 75.31, the difference would be a loss of 20 pips, or 0.20 pips. The pip difference is used to calculate your profit or loss on the trade. I hope this helped you understand how to read a Forex quote. Are you ready to join the action? Start trading today. Join now by clicking the link in the description. Also join our Telegram group for daily free trading signals. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for daily videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like the video and follow and like our page. Good luck with your trading journey.